Hi guys, today I just want to talk about a quick sewing chat about the pocketbook that I had bought from Hancock Fabrics when it was not online. Alright, this is the Select Stitch Fashion Elements, a dictionary of design details and techniques. I think they have different type of books. Okay, so here's the introduction of tailor pockets, button, basic stitches. I'm just gonna flip through the book, you guys, and let me know if you what pocket you want me to demonstrate in person. I would say this talks about all different type of pockets. All right, if you enjoyed this book flip, please put down sewing book flip in the comments. All right, come join us for the next quick sewing chat.